guys, welcome to the ride here. This here is Shiner. This is my man B. We're part of Bikers Against Bullying and Bikers with Backpacks. Two separate organizations, both very involved with them. With Bikers Against Bullying, we take care of children that are being bullied throughout the North Texas region. When we find them, we give them escorts to school, we put them in self-defense classes, we give them counseling, we'll buy them clothes, whatever it is it takes to get these kids from being bullied. With BWB, my man B is going to tell you a little something about them.
With Bikers with Backpacks, we provide the less fortunate with food and clothing, any hygiene products that they need. And not only do we provide them with some of the necessities, but we also offer a listening ear, because everyone else has this story out there, and we want to let them know that they're heard and they feel like people. So thanks for coming out. We have a lot, as you can see, there's a big group out here today for our poker run. We'd like to thank all of our sponsors, Moto Liberty, Maverick Harley Davidson, American Eagle Harley Davidson, Strokers, Dallas, and the VFW Post in Garland, Texas.
5076, yes.
76.
Alrighty. We appreciate you guys very much. Hopefully we'll see you at the next poker run, next event, y'all. Till then, God bless you. By show of hands, who's never done a poker run? One, two. Alright, it's real simple. So when you signed up, we gave you an index card, stamped it, drew a card. At each location you go to, which we're going orders from American Harley, the Maverick, the Strokers, and then the BMW. You're going to draw a card at each location, get the stamp, hang around for a little bit, hang out with the guys. That's all. There's 30 cents left on, and partake in their menu. Once you've done that, you got through all four cycles. At the very end, at the VFW post, you'll get your last stamp, you're going to turn your card in. Number one hand gets $150. What you do with that $150 is up to you. So, it's a lead, go as you want. It's not an escort, so you just ride freely. You don't have to wait for anybody. Just take off like normal every day going somewhere. All the rest is just be safe, make it back in one piece. With that said, you're more than welcome to take off at any time now. Guys, food, yes. I would eat at Strokers. If you need lunch, eat at Strokers. We don't think the BMW is going to have food ready because it's kind of early for them. They don't normally start serving till 5. So if you want to eat, I'd recommend eating at Strokers. Sure y'all right? Yes, hydrate, drink plenty of water. Every location has water, so make sure you drink plenty of water while you're riding because it's going to get hot. Other than that, thank you guys for coming out and participating with us, man.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate it. Have fun.
It was with mine. Okay, this one.
All right, 9 of diamonds.
I'm just whoop.
everybody that came out supporting two great causes, playing Bikers Against Bullying and Bikers with Backpacks. It's a great collaboration. Raised just about $700 total between the two charities. So we split everything in half. So just so you know. And of course, as always, we always like to say, if you want to donate what you win, we greatly appreciate it. So with that said, we're going to start out with the poker run winner for $150. Mr. Chuck J. with 3 of a kind, sir. Come on down, get that money, brother. Congratulations, sir. Thank you very much. Appreciate you, buddy. Appreciate you.
I get 50 of it.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, sir. Give 50 bucks back, breakers. Much appreciated.
Right on.
Now, we had $141 on the 50-50. Here's the cool thing. Winner's going to get $71. After that, we're going to draw for a $50 gift card. So you have 2 chances to win for that ticket. So with that being said, being sporting, he's a very neutral because he doesn't have anything invested, so she's going to be our drawer for our 2 winners. And she's hot. Everybody likes to look at a hot one. Sorry, Brett. All right, the last 4 digits are 8100. Don't get easier than that.
That's me right here.
That man right there. We're 50-50. There you go, brother.
See right here, you can see.
And now for the $50 gift card to the Moto Liberty. $80.61. So,
Hey,
congratulations,
this
brother.
table's got it rigged, man.
Nicely done, guys. Nicely done. Once again, I want to say thank you to everybody that joined in, helping out, raising some great money for some great charities. We got some cigars over here for sale. He's got more that's on the way. I swear to God, we do. It's here. It's there. We got more cigars. We got a smoking room right here next door. It's air conditioned. Got a TV. Get your drinks out there. So grab you a smoke, grab you a drink, relax, enjoy your day. If you want to hang out all day, there's 2 bands going to be here tonight. There's going to be a Bon Jovi band and a AC/DC cover band tonight here at the post. So if you want to hang out, enjoy some time, relax, order something to eat, have a freaking DoorDash or whatever, you're more welcome to hang out all day with us, man. Thank you again, guys.
Thank you.